The Senate voted against the so-called skinny health care bill. It was so close, Rob.
A great example of a reason to watch morning news. This happened literally around midnight last night. The vote failing by a final vote of 51 to 49. We are already hearing from President Trump about this vote, and it is only 6:01 in the morning. He tweeted, 3 Republicans and 48 Democrats let the American people down. As I said from the beginning, let Obamacare implode, then deal, watch. One of those 3 Republicans, by the way, was Senator John McCain.
And after 7 years of trying to undo the Affordable Care Act, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell says it is time to move on for now.
This is, clearly a disappointing moment. Now imagine many of our colleagues on the other side are celebrating.
We are not celebrating. We are relieved that millions and millions of people who would have been so drastically hurt by the 3 proposals put forward will at least retain their health care.
Yeah, that's not how I celebrate.
I know, right? And listen to this. The Congressional Budget Office, they reported that this defeated bill, if it had passed, would have meant 16 million people would lose health care coverage. So what's next here? McConnell says that he now wants to hear ideas from the Democrats, which means, Rob, is he willing to work across party lines?
Right. Are we going to finally have a bipartisan bill?
Right.
Well, let's back up for a moment first. The original bill passed the House way back in early May. Remember that? Then it made its way slowly to the Senate, where Mitch McConnell formed a group of 13 white male senators to rework that bill. He excluded the left entirely in that process. He excluded the public as well. We didn't hear about the bill until it finally made its way to the Senate floor for a potential vote. I asked one of our local congressmen, Dennis Ross, who is a Republican, if he thinks that bill ever really had a chance.
Did that ever have a chance, or do you think that this thing was kind of doomed from the start?
I think that McConnell had to go the route of try everything in public because it would result in where we are today, where you really have to shame the senators into voting to continue the debate and hopefully pass a bill.
Well, as Jackie and I both said, they were burning the midnight oil big time last night. This thing didn't wrap up until around midnight. Senators will be off until Monday afternoon.